If you're seeing Facebook error 44, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again fast. This is a quick troubleshooting guide, and the good news is that most of the time, the issue can be solved with a few basic steps right inside your browser. So if Facebook is giving you trouble, stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to try. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first fix, refresh the page. Sometimes Facebook error 44 is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh can clear it instantly. On your keyboard, press F5 if you're on Windows, or use the refresh button in your browser. After that, wait a moment and see if Facebook loads properly. If the page still doesn't open, don't worry, because we've got a few more things to try. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger all kinds of loading errors, including this one. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, or if possible, test another network. You can also try opening another website to see if the problem is only with Facebook or if your internet connection is having trouble overall. If other sites are also slow or not loading, then the issue may be with your connection rather than Facebook itself. Now let's move on to clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause strange errors when you try to load websites. To fix that, go into your browser settings and clear the cache and temporary browsing data. You do not always need to delete everything, but clearing the cached files can often resolve display or loading problems with Facebook. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook again to test it. If the issue still continues, try Incognito Mode. This is a really useful step because it opens Facebook without using your saved cache, cookies, or extensions in the same way your normal browser does. If Facebook works in incognito mode, it usually means the problem is tied to browser data, an extension, or a setting in your regular browser. In that case, you may want to disable extensions one by one or clear additional browser data until the issue goes away. After trying these steps, refresh the page again and check whether Facebook error 44 is gone. Most of the time, one of these fixes will solve it quickly. If the page loads normally, then you're all set and can continue using Facebook as usual. If not, you may need to repeat the steps carefully or test Facebook in a different browser to narrow down the cause. So to recap, the main fixes for Facebook error 44 are refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, and trying incognito mode. These simple steps solve a lot of common browser-related issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. I hope this video helped you get back into Facebook quickly and easily. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.